Okay. Hello, Echarjan. Jaime or YouTube is on the quiet that Gaelic to this tutorial on Quebec. Is before Gaelic go by the nest. So he should. Ah, yes, okay. Scanio. Sitting again before the storm of like. So matter of me get yeah, Farak and Rutbiki show. So I mentioned right, I'll replay one of my favourites. Cleachy me and Jenna, the Gaelic in Charlotte. Life is Strange Before the Storm. Nish Kanyomier Before the Storm remastered of like. Hamir Bekan Life is Strange remastered of like. X5 Farking also can drain yet the character models Nas Tana na Bavish especially in Carniana though. So I mean Dochas na Shaw Farking Mard Shin. Not a hurst me. Get this Life is Strange Before the Storm and Darna Gama Sistera Shahid Gama Hound Good chronological that could be she prequel a hound go Life is Strange. It's Marshan Chanel spoilers some B Dolavian or son Life is Strange as the Emmy Shaw. Ivan in post credit scene I guess Chanel is the fashion go fat the shin Levy Gastri me Mayo Stati me must fake shin. So yeah, Toshi Kishin. Dachas gan op de gauwle genest. Shinny Hain.
I can't believe Firewalk is playing a show at the old mill. Fuck yes! Mom would kill me if she knew I was out here.
Murder is like a fail gamma Life is Strange. Grabui Vorek Twin Peaks in the gamma Life is Strange. Anam and band Firewalk Gishagut
no trespassing?
No
way.
Right, I really get sensitive so my dear goes fishing card big sensitivity. Kitty shin shaw sheas. Shin. Shin you Chloe? Chloe give my extra, I guess I'd go like a mother.
This place is awesome. If I'm gonna get inside, I'll have to get through that door. If I owed somebody $1,000, I'd be shitting my pants.
Demon Merrick.
Those guys need to get a room. Or not. Damn.
Mind your own business.
I understand, really, and it won't ever happen again, I swear. You can trust me, I promise. I really get it now, I do.
Do you? Because trust with me is earned in actions, not words. Got it?
Each enough.
This RV's just begging for a little street art. But if I do it here, someone will see me.
Gaelic City.
Now what to draw?
Not a math lab. Yeah, here's your trophy.
Definitely, absolutely not a meth lab. I'm sorry, officer. It says what on the side of my RV?
Oh wow. Okay. Had your lucky. Max. So you know how I stopped going to class so much? Like you stopped talking to me so much? Funny story. I had trouble coming up with an excuse, so I just didn't. I just didn't show up, and it was fine. Nobody said anything to me. Crazy, right? It's like I'm invincible all of a sudden. Maybe that's the perk of being the dead dad girl. No one knows what to do with me, so they're actually relieved when I stay home. Wish I'd figured this out sooner. Think of all the wasted school time. P.S. Pris from Blade Runner popped into my head last time I rubbed one. I mean, at first I was thinking about Deckard and that smolder of his, but then Pris just totally stole the show. Probably nothing there. I think I just want her bangs. Chloe, the electric sheep. Oh, Chloe. Ahead of Lajen Ghiblin, 2010. 20th of March. Max. Ready? So Mum suggests taking a road trip next summer, and I'm like, cool, I guess. But then she starts talking about David being there. Yes, that David. The wannabe drill sergeant who swooped in on Mum and is stuck around like a bad zit. David, the mustache monster from Planet Dipshit. That fucking David. Anyway, I politely suggested to Mum that perhaps it was too early to assume David would be in the picture by then, or breathing. Hey, shit happens. As you might imagine, that didn't go over well. But really, if this guy's still around 3 months from now, then she's got serious self-esteem issues and I've got serious self-immolation. Look it up, nerd. Plans. She can do better, that's all I meant. But she didn't want to hear it. Like, I'm the asshole. Chloe the asshole. I guess. On the shin. The 5th of March. Dear Max, Dad got me this stationery one day when I complained about wanting to send an email and the internet was down. And tonight I thought, hey, maybe it's time to write Max. The funny thing is, I don't really know what to say, because we haven't talked in 3 months. Despite all my calls and texts, and not that I'm upset or anything. Fuck, there's no way I'm sending this, is there? Chloe the Unfriended. Max. Now this is more like it. Here I can write to you all I want without wondering or worrying if you'll ever write me back. Maybe one day when you return home and apologize for having forgotten all about me and we kiss and make up, I'll show this to you and we can read it and laugh. Maybe I'll decide that Journal Max is way cooler than Reality Max and you just live in here forever as my little imaginary former current best friend pen pal. Time will tell. Chloe the Journal Boss. Each na. Oh, Jiffer character then. Chloe. Okay, Henya mi dal levig. Fesach ulig mi in the character and show. Shin Chloe, Shin Max, Carrick Chloe ha is it Vala Akal, Shin William Ahed Chloe nach Maran, I guess Shin Joyce, Mahed Chloe, I guess David, the step douche. Oh, text stacking. Text Max. So sorry, I've been bad about emailing. Texting's better for me. Yo, it's Max. How's it going? You there? Gas. Sorry again, I've been really busy. You'd love Seattle. More in a bit. Cool. Maybe some hitchhiking in my future. Hey, hippie. I'm so sorry. Maybe we should set up a time to call. No worries. I'll check my dance card. Let me know. Yo, Queen of the Crickets. What's the latest? Max. Oh. Elliot. Like a skull. Can you kishin reading a character in Elisha? Jeff Frankagra. Your shit's here. Hell yeah. But tapped out, sorry. Your loss. Hey, you can hold it for me a day. Can I? I'm your favorite customer. Are you? Frank, you holding? You still low? You gonna have me whacked? Yes, please joke about that over text. You deal drugs on this phone. Anyway, come on, it's 4:20. Oh, Shed. Negative logic, completely found. I'll meet you if you have the cash. Rain check. I guess mom. Will you be joining us for supper? No thanks. Will you be coming home at some point tonight? Now she now flickers the horse key. Oh, Chloe. Two wheels forever.
This place has collected a lot of junk over the years. This band shreds so hard. I gotta get in there.
How does shred it?
A second door inside. So close, and yet so far. I'd join a motorcycle gang if I had any friends.
Okay, Chloe. Oh, sitting guy Ponderaku.
Mom would totally flip her shit if she knew I hiked for an hour just to see a show. This place is sketchy as hell. An old abandoned building in the middle of nowhere, miles from home. Home. Right. Now I remember why I'm here. Any place is better than home.
Chloe Bach.
Some say the world will end in fire.
Yeah, Emily Dickinson, actually. Yeah, Robert Frost.
Nothing says badass like a nice floral print.
New dialogue unlocked. See, I could nog be quiet ulig mijn koerst.
That saw looks ancient. I wonder how long ago the mill actually closed.
Closed sawmill. Very Twin Peaks.
I've got to figure out how to get past this guy.
Nish, as je dal gaan je engine and mechanics aan zijn gamma show talkback. He should have a kill for the executive.
Help you, miss?
You gotta let me in. Check it. I'm totally legit.
I'm totally legit.
It's not a bad fake, kid, but you're in over your head here. Do yourself a favor and scram.
Okay, famous should die a lot of
Can't let him push me around. Should I go back and stand up to him? Or can something around here help me convince him?
God, again? What do you want, kid?
This is the old mill, right? I heard Firewalk is playing here tonight. They're awesome.
Nope.
Are you kidding?
You should probably just go.
Is that your bike over there?
Yup.
It's, pretty cool.
Gee, thanks. Is that all?
Shashin, you've started a backtalk challenge.
I have to convince this doorstop that I'm not giving up until he lets me inside.
In backtalk, You use arguments and insults to get someone to do what you want.
Don't you remember what it's like to be a teenager? I just want to see the band.
I thought we went over this. Isn't it past your bedtime?
To succeed, pay attention to what your opponent says. Bedtime? Your bedtime? No bedtime. Do me a solid. No bedtime.
I don't sleep. It's for the weak.
Real cute. But I still don't know you.
Again, listen to your opponent's words. Cute. Cute.
Look at my face. Do I look cute? Or do I look like I'm going to kick your ass?
You look cute.
Okay, kid. I get it. You're tough.
Maybe I am a kid. Because this place looks like a damn playground to me.
A girl like you? I can't protect you in there.
Flowers on your bike.
A girl like you with pretty flowers on her bicycle shouldn't lecture me on what I can do.
That is a traditional Samoan... Look, my boss decides who gets in, all right?
Bosses suck. Screw the man and fuck the rules, dude.
You're not accepting no for an answer, are you?
Nope.
Can you?
And you really think you can take me?
Yep.
What if I had a knife?
No problem.
A gun?
Don't care.
What if I had...
You could have a flamethrower, an army of robot ninjas, and a motherfucking dragon on a leash in there, and I'd still kick your ass.
I give up. You're all right, kid. Go on in.
Chloe Price. Upper legend.
This is intense. Shit.
Hey, Delia, come.
Cute dog.
Don't touch my soul with dirty hands. Hamismation, agus Gaelic.
Just follow the lights and the sound. Can't wait to get in there and thrash.
Like, Gaelic can check as a bee get a nostalgia goggles a hack. A hamifarach game on some non-remastered version. Gyda yn seen Shaw a farach in nas salach anna dau agus nas kind of atmospheric a chag gyma carang glan agus bright syniad.
That dog is fierce. What's her
Pet
name?
the dog? Delia. Oh.
She doesn't usually like people.
Yeah. Me neither. Sober up, girl. You're missing the show.
So nice. With Damon Merrick.
Damon Merrick again? Who is this guy?
I'm not good agus a bhíist.
No.
Yeah. No shit. This car could slide down any minute.
Bí sin, cutrama.
I can't hear you. Can you talk louder, please?
Parking brake.
Okay, good.
That shirt is rad.
No.
Is that guy
Look,
selling
we have to
merch?
set this up exactly as I've explained
Wish
it
I
to
had
you.
some cash.
All right, it's not...
Hey, are you selling any...
$20.
What?
$20 for a t-shirt.
That's really expensive. Dick.
No. Look, we have to set this up exactly as I've explained it to you.
Looks like that parking brake is the only thing keeping that car from rolling down the ramp.
No. Look. Hey, I told you $20. You looking to get beat?
That guy's a dick. If I want a shirt, I'm going to need to get creative.
No. Look, we have to set this up exactly.
Sorry, dude. Maybe you shouldn't overcharge.
Shit! No! Come on!
Thanks for playing, Dick. Oh, yeah. Sweet, sweet victory.
Ska jag hej?
That's like $200.
Jay Hashinos Mansion. Kami Spanching Gumfaki Huri Nvaikili. And a special lenity.
Not worth it. These guys might burn me at the stake. Nothing sadder than a neglected bong.
Skeety guys.
Sweet knife. Just like the one my mom refused to get me for my birthday.
Hi ho edgy. Novella that.
Sketch Central. Cold beer, free for the taking? How can you just chill when Firewalk is tearing it up in the next room?
Firewalk. Frank.
No thanks. I try to avoid hepatitis, but I can't. Frank Bowers? What is he doing here? Yo, Frank!
Hey!
Chloe?
I know your name, you idiot. You bought pot for me every month for a year. Look at that getup. Studs. You're trying too hard. What are you even doing here?
I'm here to see Firewalk, man. They rock.
How'd you even hear about this little shindig?
God, the internet. How else?
Seriously? Fucking kids.
So, you come here a lot, or...?
Yeah.
Right. It's cool.
I'm really glad you approve.
Okay, so, you holding? I could definitely use something to take the edge off.
Of course. As soon as you give me the $175 you owe me.
Shit. Do I really owe him that much? Unless I find some quick cash around here, I can kiss my high goodbye. Never mind, then.
Suit yourself.
Sweet dreams, hombre. 300 dock workers laid off, their pensions canceled? God, Prescott's a real tool.
Bishin Kutrama and Life is Strange. Evil Eye.
What are you looking at?
Hele. Du kan se journal. What's wrong with me? Fucking everything. Get nothing. What? Can't the cash. You think this is bad? You should see what our government is up to. Don't be a dick and play for it.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
okay?
I'm fine.
Relax. You bumped into me, remember?
Yeah.
Yep. My bad, dude.
You don't know who I am, do you?
Nope. Don't care either.
Hey, let me know how that works out for you, bitch.
All right. Mosh pit is a no-go. Fine. Maybe I can get a better view of the action from up above.
Hello, Frank.
She returns.
Did you see that guy I ran into? Acted like I was supposed to know who the hell he was.
Yeah. I know him. He works for Damon.
Damon Merrick?
I see you've heard of him. This is his place. Damon's a friend of mine.
You know?
Where do those stairs go?
Up?
Real helpful, Frank. I mean, will I get a better view of the band up there?
How the fuck should I know? Floor above's rotted all to hell, okay? No one goes up there.
Fine. I'll see you later.
So it's
Whatever.
lying.
Fuck! Yes! Finally made it! I can't believe it!
You spilled my beer, bitch.
There's a fish in the
You should be
percolator.
more careful. It's a rough place.
I don't like your attitude.
This man's doing.
Then how about I show you how unimpressed I am with limp dick assholes who get butthurt over spilled beer?
I think she's calling us out, dude. She's gonna regret every word. Every word. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna teach this little punk some
I'm
manners.
serious. You want to see me get angry here? Because I'm getting there. And it won't be pretty. It won't.
She can take you.
Hey! Dickhead!
Well, Chateau. We have a choice to make. Attack or run. Hashin Jirach is Che Eichkin had Dolly Goma Utramach. As he had Dolmach famous in Turgianu. Attack or run. Mahapiachganaku curse the chat out. If you have a strong preference, put it in the chat. If Hashin Dolly Yiachin the Buanachuk and I and Giasha Irnio $1 your follow. We got hey we mentioned Gertrude about Chloe Gleichgjord Fiachin Reich Ach Femi Jiknura Ele Jidach Feich geweld and is a piece of chat to get with Canelo. Ach Rich Mikvel So Hashin Dal Reich
Rachel?
Rachel Amber.
Come on! Hurry up!
I'm caught up in a trance of useful arrogance, a voice filled with pain. Lost, no one being tossed, no one to toss.
Go, Frank!
Not gonna happen. Calm down.
Come on, man! Walk away! Screw this!
Frank.
Get the fuck out of here!
Gilles Doctor. Moving a free show. Oh. A Furio soundtrack ag go gceimime seo. Seo sin anna Seomar Chloe. Go mé bríon rí carriage tíre chiún bláinne ga mí éon Jacob Mass a han kind of design íomhíoch nó jalabach Seomar Chloe agus thuirtí se gohfuilech ó gohfuilech ó míscapalta ar trích nuair a bheits do cloiche game neo fiúscad program ar a TV chynnydd action yn y fi míscapalta a dúla go bharach in ridge ma the sets neo ma Seomar chin an taihan ásta ach i gá hain súrin gá mahúlan a gúnig ag sa Seomar a Chloe éici agus mis méid sin gyda Joe design a sin Strange Before the Storm Remastered Episode 1 Awake. Okay. Jason Dolliana with you, Chloe. I hast on Snahoon.
Sometimes all I want to do is shut my eyes and tell the world to go to hell. Daily rituals are important, even when they involve writing unread letters to friends who have forgotten you.
Max the loser. Yeah, that's right. I called you a loser. Wanna know why? Because you weren't at Firewalk last night. Even Frank was there. He's my dealer. Or, Mum, if you're reading this, he's my dealer and you shouldn't be reading this. It was maybe the greatest night of my life. I hiked to this old mill using the train tracks, then verbally abused this dumb bouncer until he let me inside. Firewalk was the shit. Who knew ragers like that went down in little old Arcadia Bay? Fuck Seattle. Plus, I almost got my ass kicked. No big deal, but there were these two asshole skeevy guys whose manhood I wrecked. Oh yeah, and I got rescued by the most popular girl at school. How was your night, loser? Firewalk plus Chloe is greater than Max. Okay, Chloe. Okay, we'll let all the lick alone. Who is it? Oh, Frank. For a drug dealer, Frank Bowers is actually pretty chill. Ik wil daarom gewerkt. Rauwig. En hij is kind of frozen. Stop geweldig vanilla product gemaakt. Oh, jello.
Hey, Max. Hey, Dad. Another day in paradise. right?
Chloe Bach. Kylie Hahout agus Kylie Character Charla.
Last night, seeing Firewalk live. Those skeevy assholes. That girl. Was that really Rachel Amber?
Rachel Amber.
You smell like cigarettes and beer. Better change clothes.
Might have something to do with all the health and safety violations they've suffered this year. If you had a near-death experience eating there, let us know.
I bet long Max Silver traded her hat for beer and booty long ago.
Ydach. Raven, yeah, mis mention. Oh, Firewalk, Kuchak, Gina bonus outfits. Illuminati, Hot Dog Man, Puncto. Right. Ron, Velusa Kayat, or Mahausa Kayat, Femi me Raven. Other bonus outfits? Classic Chloe. Version Daliana, Raven, or Firewalk. Raven or Firewalk? Okay. Ericals gyfer Ron y Kayat. Sheena Janu. Raven. Fiach.
I really should get going. I used to love skateboarding. It's the only mode of transportation that doubles as a middle finger to authority. Mom said I was too young to go. She was wrong, and it was awesome.
Chance.
Max made me this mix CD years ago. And because it was Max, not a single song was pirated.
Hami ik jong train mix CDs.
As awesome as some of those shows with Elliot were, they were nothing compared to Firewalk last night.
Only you could get me to loosen up like that. Happy 2-month versary, Elliot. Geniomi is mentioning gyfer gyda Dave Varis. Sian? Report card.
Man, I am killing it this year. Somehow I don't think Mom's going to feel the same way.
Chemistry C, inconsistent, capable of better. Absences. English D. Phys Ed C, American History D. Unfocused, excessive absences. Of over Chloe.
Yeah, no one needs to see that. Thank you. Better living through chemistry.
Hij vier geen review edgy.
That really was Rachel Amber. And she saved my life. How was last night even real?
Rachel Amber, huh?
One of these days, I'm actually going to use you to do my homework. Ask Miss Arcadia. You're the only source of info I trust in this town.
Did you hear about Firewalk coming to town?
Wait, what? Who? What photo?
Victoria Chase commented on a photo you're tagged in.
I have feelings about this.
Oh.
Most of them are not good feelings.
Rachel, Firewalk, Trevor, jealous, Victoria, you look hot, who's the arm candy? Armand, Deborah something, Deborah Borgen, I think. It's Deborah Borgen. Rach, you're so gorgeous, I hate you. Dude, that's Chloe Price. Steph. Interesting.
Dad was so proud of me for winning that stupid science fair.
Oh, ach, een kleine briesje.
Bask, ye mortals, in the light of the glowy bear.
So, right, well, she and Ayla sitting again. Quiet it, Miss Valentin.
No more unicorns, no more princesses, and no more fucking rainbows.
Well, let me mention me een rainbow
Words of wisdom, don't fail me
Chloe.
now. Just ask Steve Jobs.
Jesus, 1% inspiration, 99% LSD. Hij veergeen hij goed jigelach aan wie veergeen wie torste kretsch nach Elia veergeen. Like, she's trying so hard to seem like she's not trying
Shark
hard.
babies eat their siblings in the womb. Maybe that's why I'm an only child.
Okay, Chloe.
Shit. Where's my phone? God, it's not here. How drunk was I last night?
Chloe, I said breakfast.
Guess I better try calling my phone with Mom's. Okay. Mom's phone is probably in her room. I can use it to call mine, then figure out where the hell I left it. The preferred towel of Captain Bluebeard, scourge of Arcadia Bay. Mom's hiding her gray hair to impress her boyfriend. Maybe gray hair's his kryptonite. Maybe I should dye my hair gray.
So, is like in nach ale, Chloe, eat your jail, Divey.
Home sweet home. Whoever said you can't go home again was probably from Arcadia Bay. And he could go home again. He just didn't want to. Mom's old engagement ring. Supposed to be mine, if I'm ever stupid enough to get married. Grade B? Fuck you, Arcadia Pawn. Wait, Mom's selling her engagement ring?
Oh, Wolf. New dialogue option.
I hate that she hides all our old pictures of Dad.
Eintje kan er het remaster. Agus a sin fólaseach like na character models. Ach, nu had sin gonna textures. Can you let the
You don't deserve to be stuck in a drawer like this.
Oh, Chloe Vach. Pixelated.
I made this for Mom when I was like 10 years old. If she wore it now, I'm not sure which of us would be more embarrassed. Can't believe I used to sneak in there for her makeup. Ah, Mom! Bad enough that David comes here for dinner. Mom's finally making her bed again? I guess that's a good sign.
Oh.
I want Mom to be happy, but not like this. Not like this! Sometimes you have to get knocked down lower than you've ever been to stand up taller than you ever were. Blech. Don't give up on yourself. A single spark can start a fire that burns the entire prairie. Better.
Is mentioning Ghaillinn a corte the Chloe.
It's weird that Mom's always hoarding these old catalogs. It's not like we have any money.
Right, fiach sin. Phone alarak.
How can Mom look at this every day and not see what a tool she's dating? Sounds like my phone is definitely nearby. There we go. Wonder how many calls I've missed.
Chachgarach for Elliot. You finished the chemistry homework? Nope. Dude, that's the third time. I already know everything. Chloe, will you be home by curfew? There will be consequences.
Chloe, breakfast. Bring my purse down with you, please.
Yeah, okay. I think I saw Mom's purse in her room.
Chonik.
Oh, can you grab my cell phone too? No more dawdling. I need to talk to you.
Yeah, that really makes me want to hurry. Coming, Mom.
Finally, you can put my purse on the dining table. Might still have time for breakfast if you hurry.
Dining table, here I come.
Astray Hularu Illa Aiken.
David's here so early. Mom calls him just a friend, but look at him. He's pretending he didn't just spend the night. And you never saw the condoms, Chloe. You never saw the condoms. Dad took these photos. Now that David's staying over so much, I wonder how long it'll take Mom to shove them in a drawer somewhere.
Oh.
Joyce Price, aka Mom. She looks as beat as I feel. Pot roast? Mom hates pot roast. How can bacon smell so good, but I'd still rather stuff these sugar bombs in my mouth? Wow. Sean Prescott's son Nathan goes to my school. Sounds like the apple didn't fall far from the asshole. Why do I suddenly want to get some fireworks?
A wildfire warning has been issued for all residents of Arcadia Bay.
This is Principal Ray Wells. Let me be emphatic. I have an enormous stick inserted into my butt. Thank you. Also, Chloe, you're poor and in trouble.
Canyo na subtitles na fuhital an son sinnir akal hast sinnir.
Little dude's like, what the hell just happened? Made that for Mom in an art class when I was like 5. She was never a smoker, but it's cool. I was never an artist. Wait, those aren't Mom's keys. And these would be David's keys. There's probably a better place for them than the ashtray I made Mom. Like his home, maybe? It's my job to water these plants, but it was Dad's job to remind me, so nobody's fault, really.
Oh.
We're already supporting one. Thanks. Hard to believe I was an 8th grade science athlete. Did I peak in middle school?
Just tell him that I had sin fine. Moran fisrachi me Chloe vote girach vi kayat mun
Family pick you staying here. Wow. I can't actually remember which one. Dad always talked about upgrading to a flat screen. Too bad that never happened. I would have gotten this bad boy in my room.
Aren't you glad you left for Seattle, Max?
And never looked back?
Oh. Oh, Vov.
Any letter from Blackwell is never good. Is Mom having trouble with payments again? My scholarship doesn't cover everything. Like I need another reason for Principal Wells to get on my case.
Sinead ha carter me again seo cúteach rut éile ha carter me again seo, I suppose. She go bhfuil sin a fine character agus teolach really ag na chéil an tú a bheith agus a feic in a buí a heic sin.
Mom doesn't want me to know,
Behanana,
but it's pretty clear her boy toy, David, hasn't worked in like a year.
Weinstein.
From when Max and I spilled Mom's wine. I think the only reason Mom hasn't recarpeted is so she can stay mad at me.
Chloe, I don't have all day. Would you get over here already?
I should see what Mom wants before she strokes out. Dad's old swear jar. We spent the last of his curses on bus fare and milk. Hey, Mom. You wanted to talk?
When I send you a text message, Chloe, like last night, I need you to answer.
You can just say text. You don't have to say message.
And I need you to answer without the snark.
Sorry. I hear you.
It's Talain
I'll
choice.
do better about replying.
Thank you.
Is that what you wanted to talk about?
What is it with you and David? Always cutting to the chase. Why can't we just have some pleasant conversation before school?
I thought you hated pot roast.
You can have a no thank you helping.
No, you hate pot roast. I don't care.
I don't hate it. And David likes it. And don't say you don't care.
So that's what we're doing now? Whatever your boyfriend likes? Are you selling your engagement ring?
Chloe, jewelry gets appraised for all sorts of reasons. Like for insurance.
Nice dodge.
How about this? You don't go in my bedroom when I'm not there.
How about you don't ask me to get your damn purse then?
Sinead.
You do realize I hate your boyfriend with every fiber of my being, right?
Chloe! You don't hate him.
He calls me girly. He's a dickhole.
He can be old-fashioned.
Yeah, an old-fashioned dickhole. Ah, right. School. My favorite.
You used to love to learn.
Yeah. I used to think drugs were lame, too.
I wish you wouldn't joke like that. Let's not fight. I made you breakfast.
Nah. I'll just
Oh,
grab something
Chloe.
later.
Oh, you'll enjoy this. The other day I made 4 eggs, 2 for David, 2 for me. And just before I served them, he says, "What are you gonna eat?"
I'll enjoy that, huh?
Tired, huh? That'll teach you to break curfew.
What?
I know what time you came home last night. And don't think you can get out of school just because you missed the bus again.
Why would you assume that—
Who do you think your principal calls when you skip? Do you think I enjoy lying for you? Saying you're sick just so you don't get expelled? Between your grades and your disregard for my rules, I see you slipping. I'm worried.
But Mom, the whole point of lowering expectations is so you won't be disappointed in me. Ever again.
You're happy doing what you're doing? Fine. Keep at it. Just let me know so I can stop fighting with Blackwell to keep you on scholarship. Money's tight enough as it is.
Maybe David should start paying rent. He spends the night often enough.
How would you know? You're never here yourself. David thinks you need discipline.
David should mind his own business.
I think it's great David's taking an interest. He's a good man. Maybe he can help.
Your boyfriend's an asshole.
He's been good for me. Maybe he rubs you the wrong way because you've been rude.
He's still breathing. That means I've been more than fair.
David's had some hard times too, you know. If he's kind enough to share his experience, I expect you to listen.
Like I'd let him get within 15 feet of me.
When he takes you to school today.
Very funny.
You will be nice, you will be respectful, and you will say thank you.
Are you serious? This is such...
What, Chloe? Such what?
Mom's trying, I guess. Maybe I should too. But what's the point in getting along if it means pretending everything's fine when it's not?
Is Talain Joyce as sin dul dhéachinn líbhíteag seach.
Mom, I know you're dealing with a lot.
Thank you. I understand you don't need me as much anymore. But I need you.
I do still need you. You're my mom.
I'm proud of you for being so self-sufficient. But the whole world's not out to get you.
Tell that to the world.
You're impossible. But I love you.
I love you too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, David's waiting. You'll need to bring him his keys from the ashtray. Try not to kill each other.
Got it. Unless he tries to give me advice. Or looks at me funny.
Chloe.
Or looks at me at all.
Chloe.
Mom.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bringing David his keys is about the most humiliating thing Mom could ask me to do.
Can you mis muid sin go bhfuil sin feed, Chloe?
No point in putting off the inevitable torture of driving to school with David. I better get going.
Steph. Hey, is this Chloe? This is Steph Gingrich. Hey. I have your DVD. You can get it before school. Thanks.
What a piece of crap. The car, too.
Why do you women always take forever to get ready?
We're hoping you men will leave without us.
But Amatany.
No, Mom. I swear he beat himself to death with a tire iron. Repeatedly.
Electrode insulator's probably cracked. You know what a spark plug does?
Yes.
It ignites.
Did you not hear me? I said I know what it does.
Then go grab my socket wrench set from the garage, and we can get moving.
Get the high.
What is this? Quality time? Ugh. Better just get the socket wrench and get this over with.
Get the high three car snarky is tell him
tiniest penis in all of Arcadia Bay.
Okay. Joe comedic timing I thought hina Chloe.
What's David doing, leaving stuff in our garage anyway? Does he think he's moving in or something?
Oh, Chloe.
Should
Ghaillinn.
fill this with gasoline just in case David's car ever catches on fire.
Ghaillinn smach gacket this
Yeah.
Shia na
The
Chloe.
stereo used to be in Dad's workshop. I should hook it up in my room before garbage day gets it first. Dad's old camera. Do they even make film for these anymore? This was the photo Mom took down from the living room. Guess we don't have room for it and David's mustache. Uh-oh. Mom's been cleaning again. David's lawnmower. Maybe Mom and I like our lawn the way it is. Ever think of that? Dad's toolbox. He used to get so excited whenever anything sprung a leak or busted. Do these have chapters on hotwiring your mom's boyfriend's car so you can drive it off a cliff? Asking for a friend. "50-50 chance I smash him in the face with this. 60-40. Maybe 90-10.
A little more hustle wouldn't have killed you.
I'm a hound. I'm a hound.
See what's gunking up the works there? That's a sign of
Carbon deposits? No shit.
You know, you could actually be good at this if you lost the attitude.
My attitude is what makes me special, David.
All right.
Ghaillinn should dolly and a fist bump like David. Right, come on.
What the f-
How you do anything is how you do everything.
Now I need a shower.
Line, David.
Hey, you're taking those tools with you, right?
Every house needs a good toolbox.
We've already got one, but thanks.
Oh man, I forgot about that now.
Ready to roll?
Please don't want to talk. Please don't want to talk.
I
Please.
want to talk to you about something.
Fuck.
We don't have to like each other, but you will respect me. You've enjoyed enough of a vacation from having a father figure. So there's some things I want to be real clear about.
Respect him? I think it's time I show this asshole I'm not interested in anything he has to say. What's clear is fuck you.
Language. You are way out of line, young lady.
Language? Here, let me put that in a language you'll understand. Foxtrot. Uniform.
You've got a smart mouth, don't you?
Let me dumb it down for you. I mean, sorry. What has fewer syllables than dumb?
Hey, watch your... I can crap bigger than you, got it?
Oh, that's what I smell. A giant load of crap.
Your mother... You're breaking her heart.
Leave Mom out of this. This is about you and me and you being an asshole.
I was in the army. You will respect me.
I don't remember enlisting, so don't treat me like your newest recruit.
If you were a man,
It's cool. If you were a man, I wouldn't go so easy on you either.
Why I bother trying.
Mission
Chloe
accomplished.
Price. Ashlinger.
Country music? Dad loved this song. I just called to tell you that I miss you, my What a beautiful day. I know what a spark plug does, jerkwad. This isn't right. If Mom were here, she'd tell him to turn that junk off. Dad, turn it up.
Picking up my lover from the grocery store.
Yuck.
Hey,
The hell?
out of the car, Chloe. You're gonna be late.
Shit. Thanks.
Don't use that sarcastic tone with me, young lady. I can see you rolling your eyes.
Hello? I was actually saying
I see everything.
I'll warn everything.
Hello, Black Hell.
The Tempest. Where's she from? Shoshin at Blackwell Academy.
Hey, Chloe.
Oh, hey, Elliot.
I heard you had a hell of a night. I mean, people are talking about it.
People can eat a dick. Even social media haters can't ruin how awesome last night was.
So, how about the Tempest? Blackwell Theater at its most pretentious.
Yeah, totally.
I know it's gonna be lame, but I was thinking, do you want to go together tomorrow?
And you.
No way. I'd rather have my eyes gouged out with rusted forks.
Yeah, right. Me too, I guess.
All right. See you in chem.
Yeah, for sure.
Gotta
Okay.
track down Steph to pick up my DVD. I've still got time before class.
Stati sin ana hin a chartin. Thanks an bhí an chuideach gur san bicant Life is Strange Before the Storm remastered episode 1. Ghaillinn. Good you can click me barach sna line hín. Lig fis nan big ui ac around. Grand. cheers a drasta agus aiche bha agus cúma bhar a bh